Okay, the first problem on the review for cluster 6 is it's giving you the side length of a square, which is 4x y squared z cubed. What it's asking for is the area of a square. So the first thing that we need to do is to go ahead and draw the picture of what we have. Since it's asking for a square, we will draw the square. And it's given us a side length of 4x y squared z cubed. So now we've drawn a picture of what it's asked us for. Now it's asking us to find out what the area of the square is. Well, the area is going to be side times side, or since it's a square, side squared. So let's rewrite it as our equation. So side squared would be 4x y squared z to the third power, and this whole monomial is going to be squared. Now if we go back to our law of exponents, what we're doing is we're raising a power to a power. So if we look at our law of exponents, raising a power to a power, what we do with our exponents is we multiply. So if we're going to multiply, what we'll be multiplying is the power on the outside times the power of each exponent on the inside. The first rule, though, is to handle our coefficient first. So coming back over here, we start with our coefficient. We have 4, and we're going to square it. So 4 squared, then we have x. The exponent to x is 1 because it's not written there. The exponent that we're raising it to is 2. So 1 times 2 is 2. Then we take our next base, which is y. The exponent of y is 2. We're raising it to the second power. 2 times 2 is 4. So this is y to the fourth. And then finally, our last variable is z. The exponent to z is 3. We're raising it to the second power. So 3 times 2 is 6. The answer could either be left just like this, or in many cases we will go ahead and simplify the coefficient. So 4 squared is 16, and then we bring down everything else. X squared, y to the fourth, z to the sixth. And that is the answer to the first question, which was finding the area of a square whose side length is 4x y squared z cubed.